Do you know what baking soda can be used for in the shower? I use its properties not only for baking cakes. With this simple baking soda mixture, not only will your shower sparkle, but you'll also enjoy a longer-lasting cleanliness without the need for frequent cleaning. I'll show you that just one packet of baking soda will help you get rid of stubborn stains and save a lot of money. Pour the baking soda into a container. Add a bit of dishwashing liquid. Pour a portion of dishwasher rinse aid and the same amount of apple cider vinegar. Pour about half a liter of water over all the ingredients and mix. Foam will be created, which will disappear after a while. Once all the ingredients are mixed, take it to the bathroom. Close the drain in the sink and pour the mixture. Take a sponge, soak it, and start cleaning the shower door, especially the chrome handles. Clean the glass on the door and the remaining walls of the shower cabin thoroughly. Also, clean the shower faucet. All streaks and dullness caused by water and soap scum will come off. Then rinse everything with water. You'll see the results quickly. The water will flow down the glass without leaving deposits and streaks. All spots and lime from the water will disappear and won't reappear as quickly. You won't have to clean the entire shower so often. It will be shiny and clean for much longer. The mixture will leave a protective layer on the glass, and you'll have time for other pleasures.
Pour this foaming mixture into the toilet and see what happens. This trick is used by housekeepers in 5-star hotels. Thanks to it, you can clean even a heavily soiled toilet literally without scrubbing. The bubbling foam will do all the work for you. Pour 5 tablespoons of laundry detergent into a bowl. Then add 5 tablespoons of salt. It has disinfectant and strong cleaning properties. Due to its properties, salt can successfully replace harmful chemicals in many situations. Add 50 milliliters of vinegar to the powder. It excellently eliminates bacteria, germs, and mold. It can even tackle very old deposits of limescale that often accumulate under the rim of the toilet bowl. Mix everything together. The mixture will start reacting and foaming immediately. This combination of ingredients acts like an invisible brush. Just pour it into the toilet. It's worth pouring it on the walls as well. Then leave it for several minutes. The active foam will dissolve water deposits and disinfect the inside of the toilet. The bathroom will be filled with a fresh, clean scent in just a few minutes. I regularly use a clove of garlic in the toilet. Give it a try, and you'll be amazed at the results. Take a clove of garlic to the bathroom, peel it, and drop it into the toilet. It's best to do this overnight before going to sleep. You'll get rid of bacteria and various pathogens that were in the bowl, all without using chlorine or corrosive substances. In the morning, just flush the toilet, and you're done. It's best to perform this garlic home trick regularly, every few days. The positive effects will surprise you, and you won't have to worry about a bacteria-free toilet anymore. Another way to eliminate harmful bacteria and stains from the toilet is to mix garlic with vinegar. Fill a jug or a small pot with about 200 milliliters of water. Chop the garlic into small pieces and add it to the water. Garlic is known for killing viruses, bacteria, and fungi, and is a natural product available in every home. Add vinegar to the garlic-infused water and mix everything. Leave it for a while to let the mixture take effect. Vinegar is an eco-friendly ally in the fight against stains, limescale, mold, and bacteria. People who want to keep their bathroom clean without using strong chemicals appreciate its properties. Pour the garlic and vinegar mixture into the toilet and flush after some time. In this case, too, it's best to let the mixture stay in the toilet bowl overnight. It's a homemade and inexpensive way to have a clean toilet, free from bacteria, mold, and viruses. The toilet will be disinfected without using harmful chlorine products, and all this without spending a lot of money on their purchase. How do you maintain toilet cleanliness? How often do you clean it, and what products do you use? Let me know in the comments.
Do you also have a problem with white stains on a black sink? Most people who buy such a sink have no idea how to take care of it. White marks don't come off even after washing with dish soap. But an indispensable solution in such a case turns out to be one inexpensive product: Everyone has it in the kitchen cabinet, and it turns out it should also be next to the sink. Then, white deposits from water will never mar your kitchen. Apply a simple trick, and in a few minutes, you'll get rid of the problem. Here's how to deal with it. Take a bottle of vinegar and pour it into a spray bottle. Then spray the sink surface where there are white spots. Do it thoroughly and generously. Place pieces of paper towel on the damp sink and spray vinegar again. It's important for the paper towels to be completely wet. This way, the vinegar won't evaporate and it will work longer, removing the white spots. Leave the paper for several minutes. In just a few minutes, you'll see that the white marks disappear. After a dozen or so minutes, remove the paper and see the difference. There will be no trace of lime deposits. The black streaks and spots will be a thing of the past, and you can enjoy a perfectly clean black sink. To prevent new white deposits, just spray the sink with vinegar from time to time, and that's it. Good luck.
The underwear will regain its snowy white color without the use of chlorine bleach. Pour hot water, very hot, into a bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of baking soda to it. This is a commonly known product for its whitening properties. If you don't have baking soda, you can use 3 or 4 packages of baking powder. Baking powder is a mixture with soda in it, so it has a weaker effect than soda alone. Also, add 2 tablespoons of salt to the water. Salt whitens and removes stains. Our grandmothers already used it for this purpose when doing laundry. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of laundry detergent, preferably designed for white clothes. Mix everything with a spoon or spatula. Immerse the cotton underwear, soak it thoroughly, and leave it for at least 20 minutes. Take it out of the bowl and put it in the washing machine as usual with other white items and wash it. Delicate lingerie, lace panties, and bras will look like new. You can also whiten them with another home method. In a bowl of warm water, not boiling, add baking soda and laundry detergent for white clothes in the same proportion. It can be 2 tablespoons for a smaller amount of items. Dissolve them well and soak the lingerie. Leave it to soak for about 20 minutes and wash it as usual in the washing machine on the Delicate Fabrics program. After washing, you will notice the difference. The lingerie will be much whiter. How to wash curtains to make them white again? After a few weeks, curtains turn gray and lose their snowy white color, especially curtains hanging in the kitchen and dining room. Not only dust and dirt settle on them, but also grease. If you don't have time to soak them before washing in the machine, prepare a sock. Put 2 tablespoons of salt in it, add a little dishwashing liquid. But not too much, so that there is not too much foam. Throw this salt and dishwashing liquid bundle into the washing machine with the curtains. Add a laundry capsule as usual, and pour a little vinegar into the fabric softener compartment. This will refresh the whiteness and help remove strong stains. Curtains will be like new after washing. However, you will achieve better results if you soak the curtains before washing. Pour 2 tablespoons of salt into a bowl of warm water. For a better effect, adding at least 1 tablespoon of baking powder is sufficient. Instead of baking powder, you can use baking soda, depending on what you have in your kitchen cabinet. Soak the curtains in this water, and then wash them as usual in the washing machine. You'll get rid of dirt, and the curtains will be snowy white again after just 1 wash.